inbounds here for Everett underneath their own hoop. They got it, then it's stripped away, back up and in. It'll be Everett basketball. They bring it up. Everett moving to our right in the home white uniforms, dribbling in, off the window and in for the shoulder. But here's Everett with the basketball. Spin move, up and in. Spin 4. We're coming up on halfway through the third quarter. Nice pass inside, going in, shot up and counted, and one. It's Searcher had it, and they tried to call a timeout, didn't get it. Probably good, because Owens has it. Pass off, lay it, good.